Hey you, so you want to gain weight but you have no appetite, or you have a little appetite but it's not enough to gain weight. So in this video I am going to help you to secure the bag. No, I'm playing. So in this video I'm going to help you to gain or build an appetite so that it will make it easier for you to get those calories in for weight gain. So just keep watching. So I wanted this setting to be really intimate and like cute, like wearing your man's shirt type, relaxed type girl talk. Am I doing it, y'all? Am I doing it? Okay, forget my blue granny panties, but it's the illusion. So I'm judging. Ooh, shit. I do have a video that I just uploaded on how to start, or giving you tips on how to start your weight gain journey, and that entails like how many calories you'll need to take in based on your weight and your height and all that. So if you have not watched that, go ahead and do it, and then come right back and we can talk about building your appetite so that you can take in those calories to help you to gain that weight. Y'all know I get real confident when I break it down right and ain't gonna have to edit that little piece. All right, so the first thing that I have noticed that works for me when I am trying to become more hungry through the day is waking up early and drinking warm water with lemon and honey in it. So I don't know what it is. Like I said, I'm no professional nutritionist or anything like that. I just read my body and I listen to my body, and that like helps my digestive system to just kind of detox. So basically it gets rid of the waste, and if you're holding on to waste, it can make you feel full, bloated, and all that kind of stuff. So in the morning I like to basically detox my body of all the waste so that I can have a clean slate. So the other thing that I want to talk about is don't skip breakfast, you guys. Skipping breakfast is the worst thing you can do. I feel like when I don't eat breakfast, it's like I don't even want to eat throughout the day. Studies show that if you don't eat breakfast, you're less likely to eat throughout the day. By lunchtime, I'll probably be hungry if I eat my breakfast in the morning. So that's something that you really want to consider if you want to be very consistent throughout the day and you want your stomach to feel that hunger. Make sure you eat breakfast. Number 3, eating smaller meals. Before, when I was trying to gain weight, I was eating like 3 big meals and then trying to snack in between. In the video that I keep referencing, and I'm gonna keep referencing that because it has some good information in there that you want to watch. Like I would literally have to like try to stuff my face, and it didn't feel good to me. So I found out a way to make it work to where I took the amount of calories that I was supposed to take in a day to gain weight, and I just broke them down to eat more frequently and less big meals. I found that this helps me so much more than just trying to stuff my face in one meal. Not saying that it does not happen, because there are days where I do that, and it's because I'm genuinely feeling hungry and I feel like I can eat all of that. I just basically have a goal. Like if I need to eat 512 calories in one meal, I will make sure I don't go below that. But if I feel like I can eat more, I will eat more. Okay? It is easier to drink than it is for me to eat. I feel like a lot of time when I'm eating and I'm done, it's like I get this lump in my neck, like I want to, you know what I mean? That kind of feeling. But I notice that when I drink, it takes a lot more for me to want to do that. So when I have my shakes, I make sure it's pretty watery. And the way that I do that is I increase the milk, or the almond milk or oat milk, whatever base you're going to use. I do 2 servings of that. And then I also put ice, because it will make it less thick, and the ice just kind of makes it more chilled and more enjoyable to drink. So that is my number 4. Liquefy your smoothies, especially if they're like over 1,000 calories. Those smoothies can get really thick really quickly and be such a struggle and make you feel kind of sick throughout the day. Also, another thing you can do is break that smoothie up. So if it's about 1,000 or up, break it up into 2 servings so that you will have part in the morning or snack time, wherever you want to fit it, and then part another time. The 5th thing that you want to remember is, hey you, are you keeping up? Am I moving too fast? Okay, you engaged? All right, keep watching. There's some more good information for you coming. If there's foods that make you feel full for a long period of time, you probably want to eat less of that or stay clear of it, because oatmeal, like warm oatmeal, for me, I stay full like basically the whole day. I don't know what it is about warm oatmeal, but it sticks to me and it makes me not want to eat anymore. I can put dry oatmeal in my smoothies and I'm fine, but when it's warm and comforting and cozy, I just can't do it. I try to stay away from oatmeal in the morning because it keeps me really full. So when you are eating like a meal or something, you want to do something enjoyable. Like when I'm at the table and I'm not looking at anything and I'm trying to focus on intaking the calories that I need to gain weight, and really like, oh, if I don't take these calories in, I'm not gonna gain weight this week. Like when you are in that state of mind, it's really hard to push yourself to eat the amount of calories that you really need. So my advice to you is to try to watch a show on your phone or distract yourself in some kind of way to where you're happy, you're enjoying something. I just thought of another one. There is also ways that you can trick your mind into thinking that you're eating less than what you actually are. So you can buy bigger plates and fill it up to where you have space on the plate. So it'll trick your mind to think that it's a smaller portion, but it's actually a bigger meal. Like you guys know, I have kids. My mom would always say, don't feed them or fill the plate up too much because they'll get overwhelmed. So I always made my kids food, but I would rather them come for seconds versus filling up their plate. So the same thing applies. If you fill up your plate and it's kind of like no space for you on there, you'll get overwhelmed really quickly, especially if you don't have an appetite, especially if you're not hungry throughout the day. That's not going to work. So I would say it's better to go for seconds after eating your first portion and wanting more to get those extra calories versus like piling it all on at one time. Another thing that can stimulate an appetite is also exercise. Now, exercise is kind of that thing where some people are like, I like it, I don't like it. Some people do it just because they want to see results. I'm that person. I want to do it because I like the way my body looks. It's not necessarily that I enjoy working out. I guess after I'm done, I enjoy it because I'm like, oh, I accomplished that. But like, I don't think it's going to ever get easy for me to start working out when it's time. You know what I mean? Like if I know I got to work out, I'm gonna be like, ugh. And then when I'm actually doing it and I'm feeling good, then I'm like, oh, this isn't so bad. Not only will it make you a little more hungry, but it will also help your body to gain the mass where you want it. Like I don't want to be slim, thick, and not have muscle. I am on this journey to be fit, have muscle, have a slim stomach, as slim as it can get after having 4 kids. But yeah, so you definitely want to try to get some exercises in there paired with some of these things or with all of these things so that you can build that appetite so that you can reach your goals for weight gain. And we can do it here together. If you implement these into your regimen or your routine, it should get easier for you to start to build an appetite. It should become more regular. And once it becomes more regular, you can start eating more if that's what you want to do to gain weight a little bit quicker. But to start off, you should just have some really reachable goals and see what works for you. And after a while, it should make your appetite, build your appetite a little bit more so that you are more regular with your hunger and wanting to eat throughout the day. I think that is it for this video. If any of this was helpful to you, please comment down below if you're going to try these things out or if you've been trying these things out. Also leave anything that you find that helps you in your journey as well so that we can all kind of communicate and have this like dialogue going on. Really love the dialogue in my last video, so I'm enjoying like what we're trying to start and what we're doing here. Make sure before you go you check out another video. Let me know you like these kind of videos. If you do, I will continue to make more. All right, see you on the next one. Bye guys.